hunting for a decent installer spirals from also our construction company. I have my own building company and structural engineering company. Obviously you want the right trades, the right people working on, you know, other people's houses, but mainly your own. You definitely want the right people. Definitely it only makes sense to use the decent installers. So not only do you get the great customer service and backup, he's there at a moment's notice, fairly priced. End of the day, you are investing quite a bit of money on your roof, and look, there are installers and there are installers, and you do have to be very wary of what you're putting on your roof, and you need to make sure that you're getting the right people up there. But then you've got water leaks and all sorts of things that you want to avoid. So having a good local installer to back up the warranties that you get with a good panel, to back up the installation, to be there if there's a problem. Number one, first and foremost, local company. End of the day, you're investing quite a bit of money to install something on your roof to specific engineered conditions that needs to be done right a certain way. But it's not just the installation, it's also the backup and the support that you're given after the install. My point is you don't just want to get any old installer, especially ones that don't have the backup and aren't local. And look, end of the day, you can go spend $3,000 on an install or spend a bit more money and get that quality and the safeguard that knowing your roof isn't going to leak and that your installation's done with all material that meet Australian standards, and you're given the backup and support that you require through the life of the system.